tooth. Look. It's not bleeding because I sucked up all the blood before it got pulled out. Because it wouldn't come out.
Give me a big smile. Oh, very nice.
I got 2 tooth loose. 4 teeth. I lost 4 teeth. Oh, yeah.
Does it feel weird?
Yes.
What does it feel like?
It feels like when it came out, I thought it wouldn't come out. I thought it wasn't coming out. I thought you said, it doesn't work. I thought that's what you said, Mom. But you actually meant to say it's out.
Yeah.
The tooth fairy's gonna give me money. I'm gonna get so much. Because I love the tooth fairy. And she loves me.